I'm going to show you how to fix a sticking key, even if when you wiggle the steering wheel it still won't turn. Sometimes when we insert our key into the ignition, it just catches and will not go forward. And then once you finally get it past the catch, it just spins and spins and spins and actually will not start the engine. I'll show you what I mean. I can get past the first couple clicks, but then it comes to a point here where it just, no matter what you do, will not go forward. Sometimes if you wiggle the steering wheel a little bit, then it'll allow you to go forward a little more. That's happened a lot in a lot of different cars, but for this situation, it is not the problem. This is 100% synthetic oil, and we're going to put this on the key to start lubricating the inside. So we'll put a little bit of oil on each side and just start working it in, back and forth. I've moved it back and forth about 10 times, and you can already feel it start to work a little better, but we're going to put a little more oil on. Each side again. It's still really stiff, so we are putting some directly into this key area. Just squeezing a bunch in there. We're going to spray some electric motor cleaner in there because it's still not working. Seems that there might be some gunk in there. Okay, now there's a lot of gunk that can get in there, but if you have a straw for the engine cleaner, you'll get a good flush inside that key chamber. Wow, with the debris out, it's like an instant change. Now we'll continue working the oil in. So the cleaner removed a lot of the oil too, but it was important to get that gunk out. Now we're just re-lubricating. And now it works again just like when it was new. This is what we used. Now you can probably find these on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description in case you can't come up with them on your own. But this is electric motor cleaner and 100% synthetic oil.